Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, 6th problem. 6th problem. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the height of the building. Here angle of elevation is given 30 degrees and 60 degrees. And height of the tower is 30 meters. Find the height of the building. Look at the figure. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Next, angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. Here height of the tower is given 30 meters. And we should find height of the building. In हिंदी एक टावर है, एक बिल्डिंग है. बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से टावर को देखे तो 30 डिग्री से, टावर के ऊपर से बिल्डिंग को देखे तो 60 डिग्री से. ये डिस्टेंस नहीं मालूम है, ये डिस्टेंस हम लोग समझ रहे x. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిల్డింగ్ नहीं मालूम है, वो फाइंड అవుట్ करना h. ఇన్ తెలుగు ఒక టవర్ ఉంది, ఒక బిల్డింగ్ ఉంది. ఈ బిల్డింగ్ పై నుండి టవర్ కింది వరకు చూస్తే 30 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్, టవర్ పై నుండి బిల్డింగ్ కిందికి చూస్తే 60 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిల్డింగ్ కనుక్కోవాలి. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిల్డింగ్ h అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ నుండి బిల్డింగ్ నుండి టవర్ కు డిస్టెన్స్ x అనుకుంటున్నాం. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ 30 meters. Here distance between foot of the building to foot of the tower is x. Let the height of the building we are taking as h. By seeing the figure you will get confused and where you should write 30 degrees and where you should write 60 degrees. You will get confused. Means I'll tell one technique. One, see smallest side opposite to smallest angle. Remember the smallest side opposite to smallest angle, whereas the longest side opposite to bigger angle. One more time I'll tell. Smallest side opposite to smallest angle and longest side opposite to bigger angle. साइड स्मॉल है तो स्मॉलर एंगल रहता, साइड ज़्यादा है तो एंगल भी ज़्यादा रहता. साइड तक ఉంటే యాంగిల్ తక్కువ అవుతుంది ఆపోజిట్, సైడ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటే యాంగిల్ పెద్దగా అవుతుంది. సియర్ స్మాలెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు స్మాలెస్ట్ యాంగిల్, లాంగెస్ట్ side opposite to bigger angle. So here I am writing A, B. AB is the height of the building and CD is the height of the tower. Steps to write now. See first step. Let the height of the building AB is equal h meters. Let the height of the building AB is equal h meters. Second step. And height of the tower CD is equals 30 meters given. Here height of the tower CD is equals 30 meters. Let the distance between foot of the tower and foot of the building BD is equal x meters and angle of elevations are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Third point, distance between foot of the tower and foot of the building is equals to x and angle of elevations are given 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Based upon that I will draw the figure and I will prove the problem. See here, look at the figure. Height of the building is equal, let the height of the building is equal h. Distance between foot of the tower to foot of the building is equal x and height of the tower CD is equal 30 meters and angle of elevations are 60 degrees and 30 degrees given. I'll take the triangle now to prove the problem. I'll take the triangle BCD is a right angle triangle at D. Look at the figure. BCD is a right angle triangle. BCD is a right angle triangle at B. Now here longest side is hypotenuse. Here longest side is BC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side and another side is opposite side, or else angle opposite side is called opposite side. Now we'll take tan theta. Tan theta is equal 60 degrees. Opposite side to adjacent side theta will take tan 60 degrees, where theta is equal 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, where here opposite side is CD. Tan 60 degrees is equals root 3, where tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3, where opposite side is equals to CD. opposite side is equals to CD, and adjacent side is equals to BD. Adjacent side is equals to BD, where root 3 is equals to CD. Here CD is equals to 30 meters given height of the tower, and BD is equals distance between foot of the tower and the foot of the building is equals to X. We are taking this X in the place of BD. BD is equal to X. CD is equals to 30. BD is equals to X. Now by cross multiplication, root 3 into X, root 3 into X is equals to 30. Now X is equals to 30 by root 3. Transposing RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. You should write in the denominator place. Now X is equals to 30 by root 3 into rationalizing with root 3. Rationalizing means multiplying and dividing by root 3. Here multiplying and dividing by root 3, where X is equals to 30 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 whole square, square root and square get cancelled. Square root and square get cancelled, therefore 30 into root 3 by 3. Now cancel by 3 table, 3 ones 3 tens, therefore X is equals to 10 into root 3. Now by taking triangle ABD, I am drawing a separate line proving from the figure in a triangle ABD, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Where another side is opposite side. Now we'll take tan theta. Theta is called 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees will take tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, where theta is equal to 30 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side, where tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3, where tan 60 means root 3. Opposite side, here opposite side is equal to what? AB. Opposite side is AB, and adjacent side is BD. 1 by root 3. LHS write as it is, where AB is equals to, here AB is equals to H, height of the building. AB is equal to H, height of the building, where BD is the distance between foot of the tower and foot of the building is X. In the place of BD, we'll write X and we'll prove. But since X is equals to 10 into root 3 meters, proved above. In the place of X, I am writing this 10 into root 3. 1 by root 3 as it is, right, LHS is equals to H. X is equals to 10 into root 3. In the place of X, I am writing 10 root 3. Now by cross multiplication, H into root 3 into H, root 3 into H is equals to 1 into 10 into 1 into 10 root 3 is equals to 10 root 3. Now H is equals to 10 root 3 by, here root 3 right RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes division quantity, therefore you should write in the denominator. Now H is equals to, here cancel root 3 get cancelled, therefore H is equals to 10 meters. This is the height of the building. Therefore, height of the building AB is equals to 10 meters. Hence, proved.